Hey there guys, it's Silver, your host. Now, it's dinner time, I am starving, and I need to make something quick and easy before I go and finish playing a video game for a live stream that's going to be tomorrow night. So, I figured we are going to have some beef ramen with Masurian sausage. So, we're going to go through this step by step. Now then, first of all, let's boil some water and get a pan ready, shall we? Alrighty, it's showtime, or should I say food time. Follow along with me. Now then, for the uninitiated, Masurian sausage is the produce of Poland. I love this stuff. Perhaps more amusingly, bear with me, it boldly states on the label 80% pork meat, which makes you wonder what the other 20% is. But we're not going to question that, and I'm going to sample a piece. I love this stuff. Naturally, like anything else that's the produce of Poland, it's loaded with garlic, but the stuff is enjoyable. Okay. Still as delicious as I remember it being. Most definitely. Alright. Now then, let's get our ramen ready, shall we? Ramen time. Alrighty. We have our ramen and seasonings good to go. We have our lovely Masurian sausage. And if you come with me across here, we have our pan. So, let's start by getting those noodles in carefully. And now I'm just going to add the seasoning sachets. Seasoning sachets. That is a word, Silver. Alrighty. As you can probably see by the steam, we have our noodles with beef broth and seasoning added. Now we're just gonna let those bad boys simmer for a good 5 minutes and throw in our sausage. This is gonna be good. I'm looking forward to it, I don't know about you. And for those of you who are wondering which brand of ramen I used for this video, it is Nissin Deme beef ramen. Good stuff, very good stuff. I'm also a big fan of certain types of Thai and Chinese noodles as well, but Nissin Deme is good for a quick and simple one. So yes, Nissin Deme. I'd recommend these. They have many flavours including chicken, different types of seafood, sesame. They have a garlic chicken. Okay, it has a nice boil on now, as you can probably see. Another minute and we should be absolutely marvellous. And then I'm going to serve this up in my nice Chinese porcelain bowl that has a blue dragon on it. Got that from the Chinese supermarket a while ago. In fact, you can probably see those noodles starting to bubble as we chat right now. Noodles in just a few minutes. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Yeah, you can see it bubbling. Okay, our noodles are off the boil and ready to go in. And we have my lovely porcelain bowl. Let's get all this sorted out, shall we? And then it's food sampling time. Gonna grab myself a Sprite as well, I think. I'm thirsty. There you have it. The finished product, steaming hot and ready to go. Steaming hot and ready to go indeed. Alright, grab a fork, grab some Sprite. Luna's grumbling at me because she wants a forkful. You can't have noodles, pup. Alright. I have a fork. Let's dig in, shall we? Let's dig in. See what's popping with these. Get a bit of the Masurian on there. Right, time for a taste test, my awesome, awesome viewers. It's very palatable. Very, very delicious. Get a bit of that nice broth on the spoon. Gotta have a matching soup spoon with your bowl. Right. Yeah. That's solid. The Masurian sausage just adds a nice little bit of extra meaty flavour to that ramen broth. Makes it very appealing. Now then, sip a Sprite while we're here. Marvellous. Okay, so this has been my awesome people. Let's have another forkful just for the full experience. Get some of those lovely noodles on that fork, and bottoms up. Right, and a bit of Masurian sausage to finish. Yes. Okay. So this has been Nisindame beef ramen with Masurian sausage. If you guys enjoyed this, do let me know, and I will see you in the next one. So guys, I have been Silver, your host, joined by Luna. Luna! Right, Miss. Come here. Come be a good pup. There she is. There she is. Hello, Miss. And we wish you a very, very good day. Yes. So guys, I have been Silver, your host. Have a fantastic morning, afternoon or night. And I will see you again very soon. Take care, guys. You're not having noodles, Luna. You're not having noodles.